Hello my dear students, welcome to Sandeep's Physics. We know everything happens for a reason and that reason is physics. So today I discuss about class regarding unit system and system of unit, otherwise unit system or system of unit. What is unit system and what is its uses in our physical world? Basically a complete sets of units which is used to measure fundamental and derived quantities is called system of unit or unit system. Some of the commonly used system of the units are of two types. First one is fundamental units, another one is derived units. What do you mean by fundamental units? The unit system which is measure fundamental physical quantity. The unit system which is measure fundamental physical quantity, and this unit system is called fundamental unit system. And also we said derived unit system, the unit system which is measure derived physical quantity, derived physical quantity. Basically we know fundamental unit system and it is also four types. These are, first one is MKS unit system, second one is CGS unit system, third one is FPS unit system, fourth one is SI unit system. Then I briefly regarding about fundamental unit system and their uses in fundamental physical quantities. So what do you mean by MKS unit system? What we say about MKS unit system? MKS unit system, it is also called metric unit system, otherwise we also called French unit system. What do you mean by MKS unit system? It is a fundamental unit system. In this unit system, mass is measured in kilogram, length is measured in meter, and time is measured in second. So it is called MKS unit system. It is a fundamental unit system. It is also called metric unit system. It measures, mass is measured in kilogram, length is measured in meter, and time is measured in second. Then another unit system is CGS unit system, which is also called CGS unit system, which is also called French unit system, otherwise also Gaussian unit system. In this unit system, it is also a fundamental unit system. In this unit system, mass is measured in gram, time is measured in, length is measured in centimeter, time is measured in second. Then third one is FPS unit system. FPS unit system. In this unit system, it is also a fundamental unit system in which mass is measured in pound, length is measured in foot, and time is measured in second. We know 1 foot equal to 12 inch equal to 30.48 centimeter and also 0.3048 meter. 1 pound equal to 0.4535 kg equal to 435 gram. This is also called FPS unit system, is also called British unit system. British unit system. This one is the third unit system for the fundamental unit system. Then fourth one is SI unit system. SI unit system. SI unit system. What do you mean by SI unit system? It is known to be international unit system. First key point. It is known to be international unit system. It measures 7 fundamental physical quantity and 2 supplementary fundamental physical quantity. In my previous class, we know 7 fundamental physical quantity. These are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. And there is also measured 2 supplementary fundamental physical quantity. These are plane angle, 2D, solid angle, 3D. SI unit system is also called coherent unit system. Coherent unit system. What do you mean by coherent unit system? What do you mean by coherent unit system? Coherent, it is the system of all units. It is the system of all units in which all the units of the physical quantities are measured from fundamental units by simple multiplication and division without introducing any numerical value. Coherent unit system is the system of all units in which all the units of the physical quantity measured from the fundamental units by simple multiplication and division without introducing any numerical value. For example, SI units. For example, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. There is a multiplication between mass and acceleration and also division between velocity per time. There is no numerical value found to be this physical quantity. So, this is also called coherent unit system. It is the system of all the units in which all the units of the physical quantity measured from fundamental units by simple multiplication or division without introducing any numerical value, that is called coherent unit system. Then another point is SI unit system is also a rational unit system. Rational unit system. What do you mean by rational unit system? It is a system of all units in which all the units of the physical quantities are measured from the fundamental units which are qualitatively similar expressed in same unit, which are qualitatively expressed in similar same unit, which are qualitatively similar expressed in same unit, that is called rational unit system. For example, its SI units. For example, its SI units. We know mechanical energy, heat energy, electrical energy. The SI units for these physical quantities are expressed similarly in same unit, joule. But CGS unit express in another way, in different way. That is, in case of mechanical energy org, in case of heat energy calorie, in case of electrical energy watt hour. So, the rational unit system we also called, which are qualitatively similar or expressed in the same unit in case of SI unit system. Now, I write fundamental physical quantity, its SI unit and its symbol. We know fundamental physical quantity: mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. We all are right in SI units. Mass is measured in kilogram, length is measured in meter, time is measured in second, temperature is measured in Kelvin, electric current is measured in ampere, the amount of substance measured in mole, and the luminous intensity measured in candela. And these are symbolically represented by kg, meter, second or /s, k, simple a or ampere, mole, cd. And there is also supplementary fundamental physical quantity are right in SI units and their symbol. Plane angle in case of its SI unit is radian and symbolically rad. Solid angle in case of supplementary fundamental physical quantity, that is stay radian and symbolically represented by SR. Now we define what is 1 radian. What do you mean by radian? We know circle having angle, arc and its radius. Now I draw a circle its angle theta, its arc we said s and its radius will be r. We know angle equal to arc for radius if we consider radius equal to 1, arc equal to 1, then angle theta is equal to 1 radian. What do you mean by 1 radian? 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc and whose length is equal to radius of the circle. Similarly, In case of solid angle, similarly, in case of solid angle, we draw a spherical surface or a cone. Solid angle is equal to surface area divided by square of its radius. If we consider surface area is equal to 1, radius is equal to 1, then define 1 steradian. What do you mean by 1 steradian? It is the angle subtended at the center of the sphere by a surface area, and whose surface area is equal to square of its radius. That is called 1 steradian. Now, how to find unit from the physical quantity? I briefly regarding to give some examples. These examples are mass, length, area, speed, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force and work. From the physical quantity, we have first to know about their relation. Then we find their MKS unit and their CGS unit and also their SI unit. The relation for the mass is a single physical quantity, also it is a fundamental physical quantity, so it is in MKS unit system is a kilogram. Also length is a fundamental unit system, so its relation is L, or in MKS unit system it is right in meter. Area is a derived physical quantity. Its relation is length or breadth, and it is measured in MKS unit system meter square and CGS unit system centimeter square. Speed is also a derived physical quantity, and its relation is distance per time, and in MKS unit system it is meter per second, and in CGS unit system it is centimeter per second. Velocity is the another derived physical quantity, and its relation is the displacement per time, and it is also the same unit of speed, meter per second in case of MKS unit system and CGS in unit system centimeter per second. Acceleration is also a physical quantity, that is the relation between velocity per time, and its MKS unit system is meter per second square and CGS unit system it is centimeter per second square. Momentum is a physical quantity, and its relation between mass and velocity, and its MKS unit system is kg meter per second, and in CGS unit system gram centimeter per second. Force is a physical quantity, and it is also a derived physical quantity, and its relation is mass into acceleration. Mass is represented by in MKS system kg, acceleration is meter per second square, and in case of CGS unit system gram centimeter per second square. Work is a derived physical quantity, and its relation between force and displacement, and it is in MKS in system we can write kg meter square per second square, and also in CGS system gram centimeter square per second square, and also write its SI unit. The unit of force in SI unit is Newton, and the unit for SI unit system for work is Joule. And also we know the MKS unit system is the extended form of the MKS unit system is an extended form of an MKS unit system. Thank you, my students.